you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara. For those who are new and for those who are not, welcome back, girl. I know it's been a minute. I've missed you so much. But as you can tell by the title, we are going to be doing another hair tutorial. This is going to be on the lemonade knotless twist. For some reason, I always get it tongue-tied for some reason, so I have to say it slowly. Lemonade knotless twist. I hope I have it in the right order. But anyways, this style is very popular nowadays, especially for the summer. I've been seeing it a lot on Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook even. So I'm just super happy that, you know, this style actually came out how I was expecting it to come out, because I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a professional or anything like that. I'm just a girl. I just wanted to film it, show you guys what I did to go ahead and accomplish the style. I hope you enjoy it. Just wanted to make a disclaimer though, this video is not sponsored. I went ahead and purchased this hair with my own well-earned money, and the hair that I use, it is called Easy Braid. I purchased it at my local beauty supply. Just to let you know as well, because I didn't get a chance to mention it in the video, is that out of the 7 bundles that comes in the 1 pack, I used 4.5 bundles. So just wanted to mention that to you, because I know some of you are going to have some questions on that and how much hair that I used. But if I've missed anything, or if you have any questions, you want to, you know, show some love, just go ahead and comment down below. And if you like the video, thumbs up. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe. But other than that, I'm super ecstatic. I hope you enjoy, and let's go ahead and get into it.
Jump scare.
Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I did already start some of my hair just to make sure I can do it, because this is my first time doing this style. And then I'm just showing you I parted my hair in 3 sections. And right there it's a little crooked, but I am going to fix that later. And right here, I'm just showing you that I did not part my head from ear to ear in a straight line. It's kind of slanted, especially on the side that I am going to be braiding. Now, this is the hair that I'm using. It's called Easy Braid Professional. And this hair is itch-free, is lightweight, is soft and natural. I got it in the color T1B30. And I'm just showing you right here, it comes with 7 bundles. Honestly, all you need is just this 1 pack. Especially if you're going to be doing like a bigger size like I am in this video. And then I am using the Black Panther Braiding Edge Control Lock and Twist Gel by ORS. And if you don't know, you are going to need one of these combs with the parting tip at the top. You're going to, of course, need some clips, and you are going to need a braiding rack just to make the process faster for yourself. And a lot of you were asking in my last video how I was parting so neatly, and it's because of this baby right here, this 3-way mirror. You need this if you're going to be doing your own hair. It's very essential. I ordered mine from Amazon, by the way. So now I'm just parting my hair, and I am going to be going back in with some edge control along the part just to get a more defined and neat part. And I'm going to be taking that rat tail comb, and I'm going to be taking the tip of it, that part of the comb right there. That's what you need. Okay, the rat tail comb is, you know, to get it started, but to get it neat, you need that little tip right there. So get you one of those if you don't have it. And this is what the part is looking like so far. I mean, I'm doing my own hair. It's not going to be like perfect, but it is what it is, you know. It's not sloppy. But yeah, and then now I'm just taking this part in it again and sectioning it into the size square that I want. I am doing these big. It's hot. Like, I don't feel like being in this bathroom for hours trying to do smaller parts. You guys should have saw me. I was drenched, sweating, like trying to do these parts. Got these lights on. It's crazy. But I'm just adding a little bit of twisting gel at the end, because my ends are very blunt from me cutting my hair like a year ago. Like, I need to go to a professional to get it trimmed. But I'm just showing you the size of the pieces that I'm going to be pulling out. They're not too small, since it is pretty thick size sections. And I'm just adding a little bit of edge control just to kind of smooth it out a little bit more. My hair is not as you would say, heat train. So I'm just showing you, I'm taking out 3 sections. So 1, 2, 3. And I'm just doing this like I would start any other braid. But before you start to make a braid, you're actually gonna add a piece between the, I braid with my middle finger, it's weird, but middle finger and pointer finger. And just go ahead and add that braid in between, or sorry, braid, the hair in between. And you're gonna combine it with one of the other strands of your own hair, and then do the same, and then you're gonna start braiding. And braid a little bit, and then go back in, add another piece of hair, braid a little bit more, and then I'm almost forgot here, but I'm gonna combine 2 of the strands and leave one on its own so I could start twisting. But before I do that, and before I twist it, I am gonna add a piece of hair. So I'm just gonna lay it on top, twist, and then turn, twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn. And it's super easy adding to twist the hair, and then twist, turn, twist, turn, twist, turn. So as I get down to the very bottom of my hair, because it is very thick, like towards the ends, and it's very blunt, I added some hair just to kind of even it out as I got like to the bottom. Sometimes it didn't help, to be honest with you, because my hair is like very dense. But you know, hey, I did what I could. Some of these I had to go back in and fix. But yeah, I added a total of 7 strands of hair. But my blending game or my tucking game is not the best either. I'm still learning. I am not a professional either. I've done hair, well, my own hair, since I was like 10, but I'm still learning, you know. I'm still learning a lot of things, especially with fake hair. But I really like this style. This hair is soft, you know. The way that the brand was talking about this hair, it is true, okay? But now as you can see, so I'm not twisting all the way to the end. I am going to take like a little piece before I get to the color of the difference in color, if you know what I mean. And I'm going to make it a little knot. And I'm going to do another knot. I'm struggling making these little knots at the end. Look at my fingers.
What are the dreams that you had?
All right, boom, got the knot. And then because we want to just be on the safe side, we're just gonna light it up a little bit. So we're gonna take it, and then we're gonna kind of rub it together, kind of mash it together a little bit, and then boom. And then this little sick piece of hair. So also too, when you're twisting, the root of your hair is going to naturally twist, so just be careful, especially along your edges as well. So I just go back and twist it back to make it flat at the root because of the braid. And then to fix that little piece of hair that was sticking out, I'm just kind of pushing it inside the twist, and it was okay. I'm almost done with the back, but here's the row that I was on. And they look pretty good so far. That part, I don't know. Sometimes when you do your own hair, the part looks straight, and then it's so deceiving. But I'm just trying to show you another time right here what I did. I don't know if this helps, guys, but hey, maybe a different angle you could see. It doesn't help that this hair matches my hair. But I mean, you could obviously see, you know, like my hair
kind of apart from the other hair because my hair is curly and the hair is straight, but still at the root, it's really not helping. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm braiding. So that was 2 strands, I believe. I'm just slowing it down to show you I'm combining 2 strands and starting to twist, and then adding a piece of hair. Just lay it on top and twist them and then turn. Do the twisty twist. No, wait. No, I'm trying to sing SpongeBob. Do the loop, then pull. Da da dee da do do.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Okay, anyways. So keep twisting. Add a little bit of edge control at the bottom. And try your best to tuck. Oh my gosh, it was hot in there. Oh my gosh. Like, I was sweating like a preacher while he doing his sermon. Lord. But yeah. I'm gonna light it up a little bit, mash it together, and here's how it looks. I like it, especially when it gets down to the bottom where the color separates. It's really cute. I love it. And then on my right side, I did do 2 rows, so it's about 5 braids or twists on that one side. And the trick is with doing the braids to make it like land correctly, I guess, on your face, is to, when you part in the first braid, don't take it to the middle of your head, like where it ends, if you get what I'm saying. Like, kind of bring it back towards a little bit past the middle of your head, like when you're doing the first braid, to French braid it back. Hopefully I could show you guys, but I'm just honestly doing random braids. Like, I was inspired by some photos on Pinterest and I did what I could. Like, it's a little bit more difficult doing these types of braids on your own head. Like, you gotta angle yourself a certain way, and my arms was tired. They were on fire, let me tell you. But yeah, doing your hair anyways, your own hair, is a workout. And right here, I'm just trying to show you, when you're doing those flat braids, when you're starting the lemonade braids side, the very first braid, if you want it to lay right, don't part it all the way towards the next side of your head where those 2 rows were. Go ahead and kind of part it going slanted, but part it a little bit going past the middle of your head, just a little bit, so that way it's not like when that braid falls, it's like a random braid in the middle of your head sticking out, if you get what I mean. It took me a few tries because also I'm not very good at adding in hair on a flat braid. Like, I can do extensions, well, like if I were to do like some plaits or something, like how you see here, like the single braids. But when it comes to doing a flat braid and adding in hair, like feeding braids, basically, I'm not very good at it. It's not it's not my specialty. So it took me a few times. So what I actually ended up doing is just braiding the hair with my own hair and then adding the fake hair when I got to the ends. That was easier for me. Yeah, maybe if I was doing this on somebody else's head, it would be a little bit easier. I could see, but yeah, I was tired. But I went ahead and kind of took out some of my little baby hairs, so that way I'm not just looking bald, because I do got a big forehead, you know, and we need a little hair on there. But I'm just showing you that I just ended up braiding it and then adding the hair. And then here's how it looks so far. I think it looks pretty good. The braids look decent. I was just showing on this side. I don't necessarily like how it looked, but it is what it is. This is my first time doing it. It's alright. And now I'm just taking some flexi rods, and those parts that are straight, I'm just going to twirl it around because I do want the ends curly. And yeah, and then I went ahead and dipped them in some hot water.